Have you ever looked at a design and thought, wow, why does this look so good? Well, today I'm about to show you the secret sauce behind every beautiful design. Guess what? You will understand it so easily that even a 10-year-old can start designing better after watching this video. So let us dive into the 7 principles that can make your work shout wow. Firstly is balance. Think of balance like standing on one leg. If you lean too much on one side, you will fall. Balance in design simply means spreading your elements so your design doesn't look heavy on one side. We have two types of balance: symmetric balance. Both sides look the same. Example, butterfly. You can see when you see butterfly, both of the sides are very equal. They are the same thing. So that's the example of symmetric balance. One is asymmetric balance. Both sides look different but still feel right. You can see that good balance makes your design comfortable to look at. Next is contrast. Can you imagine wearing a white shirt in a white wall? It will disappear. Contrast help important thing to stand out. Use light versus dark. You can use big versus small. You can use thick versus. That's how you grab attention and make people to stop scrolling. Let's talk about alignment. So it's like keeping your room clean. When your text, shape, images, and color are being lined up properly, everything looks clean and professional. So if your design feel messy, probably things are not being aligned in that work. Make sure that everything has a visual connection in your design. Things should flat randomly. So we have emphasis. Just think of it. It's just like you saying, hey, look at it first. It's just like this work now, this frame now. When you look at it, what the first thing that you will see is this. First thing that will draw your attention is the logo icon first before the text. When you see a poster design or flyer design, the first thing that got people attention, that's the emphasis, just what you want people to see first in that design. It can be shape, it can be text, it can be pictures. That means what you want people to see first. You design a poster or a flyer, what do you want people to notice first? That stuff is being called emphasis. A good design tells people where to look even without you telling them. Number 5 is proximity. It simply means things that belongs together should stay together. For example, if you are designing an event flyer, keep the date, time, venue in the same order, in the same place. That way people can easily understand the information. You scatter them, everyone will be very confused. It's just like you putting dates on top. You came and put the venue down. You come and put time in the middle. So those things doesn't look good. When you arrange it together, people will understand. That's proximity. Now, repetition is all about consistency. Use the same color, font, style across your design. It helps people recognize your brand. When you see McDonald's with their red and yellow, Nike with their black and white, station builds identity. And finally, white space. White space doesn't mean empty space. By giving your design some breathing. So when you don't give your design a breathing room, it cramps everything together. When you don't cram everything together in that design, your design looks cool, fresh, and classy. Now you know the 7 design principles that makes the design look amazing. To apply this, you start designing like a pro, even with your phones. In the next episode, we'll be discussing about tools every designer needs, from free to paid apps. Tell me in the comment which design principle was your favorite. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and share button. I will see you on Tuesday. I still remain Ekendo Precious, creative director of PG Clicks.